Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Marina here and today we're gonna be making a Gatefold mini album base. It measures 20 by 20 centimeters with a 5 centimeters spine. It's a very easy to follow tutorial and even you are a beginner, you can definitely watch it and make it as well. It opens like this and it has 8 signatures with an insert on each one of them. Let's make it. We need medium weight chipboards in the measurements I give you. By the way, you will find the measurements down below in the description area as well. Now I'm going to use 3 pieces of A4 black cardstock 200 GSM weight to wrap these chipboards. I am using a 9mm double-sided tape right to the edge and I simply overlap the other piece here in this way. To adhere the chipboards on the paper, I am using liquid glue, but of course you can definitely use double-sided tape or glue stick, it's up to you. Make sure to leave a space about 5 mm between the chipboards. With an embossing tool, I am helping the paper to bend more easily. I am now using double-sided tape, but of course you can use any glue you like for this step. I trim off the corners with my scissors, leaving a small space about 3 mm. The base is ready. Now we need two spine cover pieces 10 by 19.5 centimeters, and on the back of them I used double-sided tape to stick them down. Now we are going to be making two bindings. Each one needs to be done two pieces of black cardstock, one piece that measures 6 by 19.5 centimeters and one piece 4 by 19.5. I burnish very well with my bone folder. I do cut a small triangle on all the four corners, so in this way the pages will stick perfectly. For the pages we have to cut 16 pieces 19 by 21 centimeters and score all of them on the long side at 1.5. I burnish well and I put double-sided tape on all the 1.5 scored parts. Now, to form the page, we assemble each page in this way. For this process, a lot of people use double-sided tape, but I prefer liquid glue to have the opportunity to push a little bit the page if needed. So, however, I will end up having a sturdy page to build on it any flaps I want. I would really appreciate if you could write in the comments if you'd love to see other tutorials with an album base construction. I will also make a poll in the community, so if it's more easy for you, you can definitely vote in that poll as well. If you would like to make the inserts, you can easily cut 8 pieces of black cardstock 18 by 19 centimeters. You can see that the size is perfect. So that was the tutorial for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!